Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I wanted to do a real quick tour here with you on the brand new 2026 Coachmen Brookstone 395DBL fifth wall. This is a 2 full bedroom unit with 2 full bathrooms. Very nice unit here by Coachmen. It is a fiberglass exterior aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall with the upgraded Asdale composite material. Check out this huge pass-through storage area right here. Does have the drop Z frame, outdoor speakers, 2 big power awnings right here. Let's hop up in here real quick. Let's check it out. So as you seen on the floor plan, it was up a few seconds ago. This is a rear bathroom bedroom setup with a loft back there. And then you're going to have your master bedroom and bathroom up toward the front. Let's start back here in the back and then we'll work our way up front real quick. So all the way back here in the back, you have a bathroom area right here. Skylight up above, vent fan up there, little tub. Decent amount of counter space, drawer space. And you have your own entry exit way right here. So again, kind of its own private bathroom back here and your own entryway to this queen bedroom. There is storage under the bed, overhead cabinet space. The 2 windows on the side of the bed do open. And then over here you have TV hookups. And lots of drawer space and cabinet space. And then we're going to go back out here just above our head here. There is a little loft space up here. There's a telescoping ladder that hooks on right there, allowing you to get up and down to that area. So you could use it as storage or maybe extra sleeping space, whichever you prefer. Now, backing out here, we're going into our living room area right here. So sofa over there will make a bed. All 3 of the windows in that slide open, along with the ones here next to your theater seating. You do have that smart TV there, shameless plug, playing my All About RVs YouTube channel. All About RVs, one word, hop over there, check it out. Got a JBL soundbar, 36-inch Greystone electric fireplace. They have this really cool kind of desk slash dinette setup right here. There's an electric outlet down there, but this center section actually spins out. There's 4 folding chairs that you could set up here for dinette, or put it in desk mode and basically kind of use it for workspace. There's 2 big windows right there. You're gonna have a large pantry over here, some overhead cabinet space, and that big refrigerator right there. And then you're over into your kitchen area, which is kind of a U-shaped kitchen setup. A pretty decent amount of counter space here. These are those very nice solid surface kind of stone style countertops. But I love the fact they did that large GE oven, 4-burner gas stove top. You got the window back there. There's a large GE matching microwave. And they do kind of a 2-tone cabinet look. So you got darker lower cabinets and the lighter uppers. The floating style step, motion light down there. Some controls right here for all your slides, awnings, a bunch of light switches and stuff, monitor panel. And then you're up here into your other bathroom area. Got that 1-piece fiberglass shower with the skylight above, flip down seat, glass enclosure, porcelain foot flush commode here, on-demand water heater controls. Very, very nice. And you can get to that from the hallway or from your bedroom right here. In this bedroom, you got the king-size bed slide out right here with storage underneath. Little end tables there with cup holders. The unit has 3 ducted GE air conditioners, some more dresser space. Those tops actually flip up also for some hidden storage. TV hookups up here if you want to do a TV in the bedroom. And then in here you could do a combo washer dryer, stackable washer dryer, or nothing. Just use it as closet space. What do you guys think of the look of the new Brookstone here? Let me know your thoughts on this unit in the comments down below. Now, real quick, let's go to the outside here. And back out here again. The heavy-duty step, the large grab handle, the window built into the door that's leopard thin shade ready. 2 power awnings, dual axle unit, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. You have that floating style step back here. It is a quad step though. That's kind of nice with the aluminum tread plates. You're prepped for the rear ladder system, prepped for the rear camera system. Has a 2-inch hitch receiver on the back for like a luggage rack or bike rack. Does have the black tank flush here on the rear as well. There's a dump underneath it here with your gray and black tank for this rear bathroom section. It is prepped with the rails to put on slide out awning covers if you wanted to add those on aftermarket. Talk with your salesperson about that. Another dump area up here for the front section. This area right here is where you could put your trash can, as it does have the little hidden trash can feature built into the countertop there. But let me know your thoughts on this unit again, guys. What you're thinking? Could you and the family hit the road, or is this something you might work out of? A lot of sleeping space in here. You got your docking station all right there. Some dump valves handles. The hot and cold low point drain, some light switches, battery disconnect, propane tank behind there. It's prepped for side cameras too. You're gonna have storage compartment up front, jack controls here, and a very cool front cap on this thing. Even the word Brookstone lighting up there along with those multiple LED lights up there. But a very unique kind of setup right there. Let me know your thoughts, guys. You can check these out again. Couches RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country.